Timber is a wonderful material, plentiful, renewable and versatile. It's a very important material for structures in agriculture and civil works. In our homes and public spaces, wood enhances the beauty of many of our garden features. To prevent our garden furniture, fencing, sheds and decking from rotting, the softwoods used must be treated with preservatives. In the past, the most widely used preservative chemicals were based on a mixture of arsenic, chromium and copper compounds. Now banned from domestic use in Europe and North America, they have been replaced with preservatives which are safer for the environment. Today, most commonly, timber being used outside is treated with preservatives based on water-soluble copper complexes blended with other non-metallic biocides. So what is the process used? After felling, trees are stripped, sawn and dried ready for treatment. Before applying the preservative, the timber is cut into boards, posts or planks. Preservatives are then applied to the timber during what is known as the pressure treatment process. The timber is loaded into very large treatment vessels on rail tracks. A vacuum helps to remove air from the timber before the preservative is added. Pressure pushes the preservative deep into the cellular structure of the timber, and the treated bales are then removed and allowed to dry. As a result of this process, timber treated with preservative chemicals in accordance with the manufacturer's guidance may last for many years, even if it is in contact with the ground. The preserved timber has a dull olive green colour, resulting from the copper-based chemical that has been applied. However, many treaters prefer the wood to be coloured brown. Rialco has devoted several years of research to develop specialist colours that are extremely effective in this process. A wide range of colour variations are now available, from golden brown through mid-brown to reddish brown and very dark brown. Unique colours can be created to meet the specific needs of customers. The colour added must be compatible with the copper-based chemicals and other ancillary chemicals and biocides contained in the preservatives. A colour which is not compatible can cause sedimentation in the treatment solution and also lead to uneven colouring of the treated timber. Most colours are extremely unstable in the presence of preservatives. It is even more difficult to find colours that remain stable when left to stand in the working solution, which also contains chemicals that leach from the timber during treatment. Typically, when there is instability with a coloured product in the preservative solution, it will be seen either as a dark sediment forming or the complete disappearance of colour. Thanks to the ongoing research and development work at Rialco, however, treaters can now obtain dark, evenly coloured boards with no problems of sedimentation. When we develop a colour, we work closely with each preservative manufacturer to ensure that the colour is fully compatible and that each colour is unique. We also develop colours for use with non-copper containing preservatives, for example, greys and greens, which create a different aesthetic effect, or bright yellows, which are used as treatment indicators. It is estimated that around a quarter of treated timber in Europe is now coloured during the pressure treatment stage. This proportion is growing as treaters realise they can make their products more attractive by using a simple preservative and coloration process. Rialco intends to remain at the forefront of this technology.